In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in ConvertKit for your lead magnet. So if you've got your lead magnet ready to go, and if you're a ConvertKit user or you want to be a ConvertKit user, this video is for you. I like ConvertKit. It's a really useful email marketing tool that has lots of features that make it easy for you to segment your list later on. Why would you want to segment your email list? Well, it means that you can send out specific emails to specific groups of people, and even better, discover which people on your list are most likely to buy. I know that sounds great, but how do you get your lead magnet set up on ConvertKit? That's what this video is all about. But first, if you would like a digital marketing lesson just like this one in under 10 minutes per week, subscribe to this channel and click the bell. That way you'll get a notification each time I upload a new lesson. Before I show you this, here's a little secret. Unlike MailChimp, you don't need to use ConvertKit's landing pages to deliver your lead magnet. No, you can just embed a ConvertKit form on your website. But if you don't have access to your website and you aren't able to build pages in your website, ConvertKit landing pages are a good way to grow your email list with your lead magnet. What do you need to set up your ConvertKit landing page? Well, obviously you need a lead magnet. You need a ConvertKit account, but you should also write down a list of benefits that people will get from your lead magnet, because you can use that text on your landing page. You should have some sort of graphic to help promote your lead magnet and also put that on your landing page. And ideally, you should have a thank you page on your website where you send people once they have completed the form on the landing page. And this is important for measurement and other bits and pieces later on. Once you've gathered all that stuff together, you're ready to start creating. Step one is to create your landing page in ConvertKit. So log in, click on the landing page and forms button at the top of the page. Scroll down here and click Create New. Now select Landing Page, and you've got a whole selection of cool templates, and ConvertKit actually has loads that are specifically designed for lead magnets. You can filter them with these buttons on the side, so let's go for ebook and see what we get. I'm going to select this one, so you can either preview it by clicking the preview button, or if you're happy with it, just click choose. Here's your landing page on the left hand side, and you can customize it on the right hand side. So simple things like your font and your color scheme, you can change that to your brand colors if you want to. If you click on any section of the page, you can edit it. We can see it's selected free recipe, and the background color here I can change to one that is suitable to my brand. And I can change the text just by typing in. Click again on any element and you can change it. So I can replace this image, and you can go ahead and change all of this text, and then just go through and change all the text and images that you need. You can even get rid of stuff if you like. You just click on it and click on the bin icon. And you can do the same for any elements on your form. So if I click on recipe choice here, I can delete the field or I can edit it. Let's get rid of this one. And I can change the colors down here as well. Once you've finished editing, click into settings. And this is the details for your specific form. And in the general section, this is where we get to add your thank you page link. So instead of show a success message, click to redirect to an external page. And here is where you would enter the link to your thank you page. And that means when someone submits the form, they get redirected there, and you will be able to measure success. Before you save and publish, you might want to give it a name. I'm just going to call this Test Landing Page, so I don't get it confused later on. And then save and publish. And if you click the share button, and that's going to be the direct link to your landing page that you can share everywhere once you've launched it. Step 2 is to create the email that is going to deliver your lead magnet to the people who signed up for it. To do that, we want to click into the Automations tab. And the first thing to do is to create that email. So we click on Sequences, New Sequence, give it a name, and click Create Sequence. Now you would write this like a normal email. You can choose when you want it to go out. So instead of 1 day, you could choose it to be 1 hour, or you could send the email immediately. Then you would write this section of your email as you normally would. To add a link then to your lead magnet, you can select a section of text, click the plus button at the side, choose File, and that uploads a file from your computer. Click on Browser at the top and that just previews, and I always like to check just here that I'm linking to the right thing. So just click on the link and make sure it works. Click on the Publish button. Step 3 is to set up the automation to connect your landing page to that email that you just created. Click into Automations again, and this time click New Automation. Click Create Automation. And here we've got the trigger. What is it that is going to start this automation? And although this says joins a form, it does mean joins a form or landing page, just to mention that. And as you can see, it's got any form written here, but we want to select just the landing page that we've created for our lead magnet. So if we click on the drop-down menu, here's our test landing page, and click Add Event. The next thing I want to do is tag people, and this means that I'll know they came from this specific lead magnet, which means I can customize my communications with them in the future. So if I click on plus, so under Action, you will see Add or Remove Tag. And here we can add a tag. I'm going to add the tag Test, click Add Action. So now people have come to the landing page, they filled in the form, we've tagged them, and that just means that later on we can decide what we want to send them and we'll know exactly where they came from. And the next step is to send them that email that you've just created. So I click the little plus button here. Under Action, again, we've got Email Sequence, Add Subscriber to a Sequence, and from the drop-down menu, we select the sequence we just created. And that's it, that's your full automation set up. There is one more thing, you need to switch it on. And step 4 is to make sure that the whole system is working. So give it a test yourself. Fill in the form on the landing page, make sure that the automation works, and you'll be able to see that when you click into the automation, and make sure that you get that email with the lead magnet into your inbox. Congratulations, you've set up your landing page, your email sequence, your lead magnet delivery in ConvertKit. And the good news is, if you just want to put a form on your website, you create a form in exactly the same way, an email in exactly the same way, and an automation in exactly the same way on ConvertKit. And then you can embed it on any page on your site. Now all you have to do is promote it. So you can watch my video of my 11-step process. This is the exact process that I follow each time that I launch a lead magnet. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page for your lead magnet in WordPress Gutenberg. See you then.